Explore the best budget DJ mixers that deliver professional quality sound without breaking the bank. Our curated selection includes affordable options ideal for both beginners and experienced DJs. Discover compact designs with essential features like smooth crossfading, responsive EQ controls, and seamless connectivity. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best budget DJ mixers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Traktor Kontrol Z2 by Native Instruments stands as the 5th best budget DJ mixer, marking a significant milestone as their first 2-channel mixer and controller. This mixer blends the exceptional performance of Traktor DJ controllers with a state-of-the-art club mixer designed for both professional club use and advanced DJ setups. The Z2's robust design includes a heavy metal chassis, standard installation height, sturdy RGB control buttons, and faders, ensuring dependable performance. One of the standout features of the Traktor Kontrol Z2 is its ability to integrate with remix decks, providing DJs with 2 additional channels for an expansive creative setup. The latest Traktor software, equipped with Macro FX and Flux mode, further enhances the Z2's capabilities, offering a wide range of creative tools. This mixer also includes Traktor Scratch Pro 2, adding to its versatility. The Z2 is built with an ultra-stable aircraft-grade aluminum chassis that offers an intuitive and familiar layout for DJs. This ergonomic design ensures an uninterrupted flow from the moment you start using it. The spacious control surface includes faders, a 3-band EQ section, and a dedicated chunky filter knob per channel, all positioned for maximum control. The Reloop RMX10BT is a compact 2-channel DJ mixer known for its budget-friendly price and high functionality. It features integrated Bluetooth connectivity, allowing wireless music streaming from devices like smartphones and tablets. This design makes it an excellent choice for DJs seeking space-saving solutions without compromising on durability, thanks to its robust all-metal construction. The mixer's Bluetooth interface permits flexible assignment of the signal to both channels, enhancing versatility. It includes a replaceable 45mm crossfader and smooth line faders, ensuring seamless mixing. Each channel is equipped with a 3-band EQ for precise frequency adjustments at 100 Hz, 1 kHz, and 10 kHz, alongside gain regulation to optimize signal levels. Additionally, the RMX10BT offers practical connectivity options with a 0.24-inch microphone input featuring separate volume control and a 0.24-inch headphone output with volume and cue mix functions. This combination of advanced features and affordability secures its position as one of the best budget DJ mixers on the market. The Allen & Heath Xone 23 is a top choice among budget DJ mixers, boasting features typically seen in high-end club setups. This 2+2 channel mixer includes an upgraded Xone filter with resonance control, VCA faders, a 3-band total kill EQ, and a crossfader curve selector, all housed in a sleek design inspired by the Xone. The mixer offers versatile I/O options with 2 pairs of RCA line inputs and 2 pairs of RCA phono inputs, allowing for up to 4 simultaneous sources. It also includes dedicated stereo send and return channels for external effects. The front panel features a balanced XLR microphone input with level and EQ controls, balanced XLR master outputs, a dedicated stereo booth output, and a stereo record output for capturing mixes. For headphone cueing, there are both 1/8-inch and 1/4-inch connectors. The mixer's front panel includes gain knobs, LED light meters, and EQ controls for all 4 channels. Additionally, there are illuminated buttons for engaging filters and effects and a VCA resonance control knob. The crossfader is switchable for mixing or scratching and can be upgraded to the high-end fader for enhanced performance. The Xone 23 is an ideal blend of functionality and affordability for DJs. The Pioneer DJM250 Mark II is celebrated as the second best budget DJ mixer, embodying features from the prestigious DJM900NX-S2. This mixer is equipped with the renowned Magvel crossfader and Sound Color FX filter, providing DJs with professional-grade tools for superior control and creative flexibility. Its straightforward controls and clear layout, combined with dedicated 3-band isolators, allow DJs to scratch and mix with instinctive precision. One of the standout features of the DJM250 Mark II is its dithering technology, which ensures warm, high-quality audio from both analog and digital sources. This makes it suitable for a wide range of performance environments, from intimate venues to larger clubs. Additionally, the built-in sound card enables seamless connection to a PC or Mac, allowing DJs to utilize Rekordbox software with CDJs for an enhanced mixing experience. For vinyl enthusiasts, the DJM250 Mark II can be connected to turntables, enabling the use of Kontrol vinyl to scratch and mix digital files stored on a computer. The DJM250 Mark II is built to endure the rigors of frequent use. Its Magvel faders feature a robust design with 2 metal shafts supporting the fader knobs and a contact-free magnetic system capable of withstanding millions of movements. This durability ensures smooth, reliable control over long-term use. The mixer's channel faders and 3-band isolators offer precise control over highs, mids, and lows, allowing DJs to eliminate specific frequency ranges completely when needed. The Numark Scratch is a professional-grade, 24-bit 2-channel mixer designed to withstand even the most demanding routines. Its all-metal, tank-like build and professional features make it an exceptional choice in its category. The built-in InnoFader crossfader, performance pads, instant loop encoder, and toggle paddles for software effects provide an unmatched combination of versatility, ease of use, quality, and performance. The mixer offers 6 direct access software FX buttons, allowing DJs to quickly control a variety of effects with timing and intensity adjustments. These effects are triggered by performance paddles typically found in higher-end mixers. With an impressive 108 dB/SN ratio, 24-bit digital sound quality, and performance-driven connectivity, the Numark Scratch ensures superior sound quality in any setup. The InnoFader crossfader, designed for scratch DJs, offers smooth operation and reliability. Additional controls include reverse and slope adjustments for adaptability. The mixer comes with the full version of Sado DJ Pro and the DVS expansion pack, enabling connection to turntables or CD media players for immediate control of Sado DJ Pro using noise map control tone vinyl or CDs. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.